Have you ever noticed your Lenovo laptop displaying a mysterious orange light that blinks exactly 3 times? Let's explore what this specific signal means and how it impacts your device's performance. This blinking orange light is an important diagnostic tool built into your Lenovo laptop. Primarily, this signal indicates a power issue that is often related to the battery. When you see the orange light blink 3 times, it typically means that the battery is failing to charge correctly. This could be due to several reasons such as a faulty battery, a malfunctioning charger, or an issue with the motherboard connection. To diagnose this, start by checking your charger's output with a multimeter. Ensure it matches the specifications listed on the charger. If the charger is functioning properly, the next step is to examine the battery. Remove the battery if possible, and inspect it for any signs of damage or wear. Swollen or leaking batteries should be replaced immediately. If the battery appears normal, reinsert it and reset the BIOS to default settings, as sometimes software misconfigurations can cause charging issues. Resetting the BIOS can be done by accessing the setup during your laptop's boot process. Navigate to the Reset to Default option and select it. This step can resolve any software-related issues that might prevent the battery from charging. If these steps do not resolve the blinking light issue, it may suggest a more complex problem within the motherboard itself, requiring professional assessment and possibly repair. To recap, the 3 blinks of an orange light on your Lenovo laptop generally point to a charging or battery issue. Start by checking the charger with a multimeter, inspect and possibly replace the battery, reset the BIOS, and if needed, consult with a professional for motherboard issues. Understanding these signals can save you time and ensure your laptop maintains optimal performance. Keep these tips in mind the next time you encounter this blinking orange light.